It's 7:05 and I'm about ready to leave to visit my sister. But there is a little bit of a sunrise this morning with some pink clouds. That looks pretty. Ah. This is my niece's husband, John. He's brought a lot of pine straw to put around Betty's house and around their shrubs. So he's just unloading it now. He just still got on his uniform from flying. We got Betty's hydrangea planted up there.
All right, great. Well, did a pretty nice job on chopping all this stuff down, huh?
Mm-hmm, looks real nice. Here's a tree in the front yard. This is a nice neighborhood, nice and quiet. There's the house. Got a crepe myrtle tree starting to come out. Does the pollen bother you?
A little bit.
A little bit?
A little bit. Not like Betty.
I think it bothers everybody a little bit.
Yeah. Betty, are you healed?
No, not yet.
Well, are you going to make it to Mass with us tomorrow and brunch?
I don't think so.
Oh, man.
I know.
Well, you better start doing some praying.
It's a bummer. I'm better.
But you're still not up to par.
I don't feel good enough, but I think you're on the good side of spreading. I mean, I already had the cold, so you're not going to give it to me.
That's what Laura said.
We'll see. It's all those other people that haven't had it yet.
Yeah, like Leslie.
Yeah, like Leslie. She doesn't need to be sick.
No, I didn't know. Otherly, it's a pine straw. It's a handsome man with in a uniform delivering it.
I ought to get about 30 views with this one. More than my normal 2. Betty, I'll wait till my next trip to film you when you're feeling better.
Thank you.
Nobody wants to be filmed when they're sick.
I think that's enough.
Looks good. It's going to be pretty when it's done.
Sure. I think we'll get done one day this week. Well, Betty, feel better. I'm planning on taking you to Mass tomorrow.
Well, don't hold your breath.
Don't hold my breath.
Yeah, I don't think she's up to it yet.
Okay, well, Laura, it's good seeing you. You have fun up in the mountains, and I hope to see you sometime soon.
Yeah, well, come down and see us anytime.
Yeah, and Shrimp Festival, we're going to do that again this year.
Okay.
We'll come up for that.
That's the 2nd of May.
That's right, first Saturday in May.
Okay.
So, y'all think about it.
Okay.
You'll learn my best.
Yeah. Just waiting to go inside. A nice porch. And John's leaving. And we're going back inside. The trick is not to go too fast. It makes you whiplash dizzy.
Make you dizzy.
I've got one where I did your store. I won't put you in. I'll wait till next time when you're feeling better. This is where my niece lives with her husband. I like the fence and the azaleas are starting to bloom. Have roses all down along the fence. There's a spirea blooming. One little flower. Looks like there's been maybe snowdrops. Here's the front of the house. They're just getting a new roof finished. Got a big tree. Way up. Just a nice quiet street. Oh, this is the pretty Easter flowers or Easter bouquet that Leslie got for Betty, and I just thought it was so pretty. It's got a hyacinth in there with the tulips and the daffodils. It's just and some chocolate candy. It's just very nice. This is the street that goes to my sister's house. I just wanted to show you all the pretty trees, how they branch over, and the little white picket fence here. And then up this way, look, the azaleas. And the big live oaks, how big they are. They're just huge. And here's looking down the other street. It's just beautiful. This is the azalea in our front yard. It's out in full bloom. It's a nice big bush. Larry's showing me what he did today. So, those are cucumbers he planted right there?
Yeah. Transplanted.
Yeah. What, 5? 1, 2, 4, 5.
Yeah. Well,
Kiwi?
yeah, kiwi's coming out.
Wow.
This one looks pretty good compared to the other one.
Yeah, this is a kiwi plant that Larry's planted last year. Is there 3 of them down through there as well?
Yeah.
That one that goes all the way up.
2 females and a male.
Yeah, and then there's one over there and one down on the end.
Yeah. I have to pick some more spinach.
Yeah, it's time to pick more spinach. You see, you put fertilizer around the strawberries.
Yeah. And some,
Planted 2 more cucumbers.
and,
Peppers?
Yeah, if they survive transplanting them, they might not make it. And planted a few flowers down in there.
Oh, a few, is it zinnias?
Zinnias, marigolds, whatever I had left.
Mm-hmm.
Daisy, a few of them.
Daisies?
No.
Yeah, amaryllis all have buds. That's nice. One there. 3 of them right there in a row have buds. Raspberries look like they're coming out now too.
Pecan trees coming out.
Yeah.
They ought to be blooming here shortly.
Pecan trees getting leaves. Here's the raspberries that we did wrapped around the other day. They're all coming out. That would have been heavy to move. Those will be pretty when they
2
bloom.
potatoes in there and the peas.
2 potatoes and
You
is
see
it
the potatoes?
garden peas?
Yeah,
Yeah, I see them.
and that one there.
Oh, well, you did move 2 of them.
Yeah.
And you got the fence all around for them to climb on? Nice. Overnight.
And Harry told me that after they make the berries there, they'll start running the strawberries.
Oh, after they make the
Yeah,
berries,
he said
they
they will.
climb?
Mm-hmm. He said they'll climb.
Oh, good. I want to get this. This is our tangerine tree here, but
Look at flowers.
look at all the buds. So if all those make tangerines, that'd be wonderful.
Potatoes are coming up pretty good.
Spirea is starting to bloom a little more.
There's a wren trying to make a nest in the golf cart
Oh.
on the driver's side.
Mm-hmm. Oh, in the glove box?
Yeah.
Larry's full speed ahead when he's riding that mower. I guess while Larry's outside mowing, keeping busy, I'll go ahead and mix these up. From sunrise to sunset, it's been a good day. The Lord is gracious. Tomorrow's Easter.